Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can design a stunning Independence Day poster or banner using Canva. So whether you are a student, teacher, business owner, or social media creator, let's celebrate Independence Day in style with this easy and cool Canva banner design tutorial. So you can start by opening the Canva apps on or Canva in a website like this. Then you can just go straight to the templates tab and you can just type in the days. For example, you can go with 4th of July like this, or you can type in your own Independence Day date. So in this case, I'm going to just find the 17th August as the keyword. Here I'm going to just go with banner. So you guys can see there will be lots of options, template option that you can select it in here. You can just choose which one that you think fits your needs the best. For example, I'm going to use this one. You can click on the templates that you want, and once you click on it, you can see there will also more suggestions in here. If you think you like the other one, you can just choose. For example, in here I'm going to just go with this one. Click on customize this template. So this is the template. As you guys can see, this is the last year date, so I'm going to change, of course, this date in here to 2025. And if you want, you can modify other elements. If you want to, you can change the phone. I'm going to go with this one in here. You can adjust again the size of the text, or you can also adjust the alignment or change the background. So for the background color, I'm going to go with white like this. And if you don't like a certain element, you can always delete it just like this, or you can also add another elements to your design. You can go with magic recommendations to make it easier for you. So once you're done, you can just click on share and tap on download, or also share it directly to your social media, email, WhatsApp, or other platform. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on thanks. Bye.